Witnesses lie, cameras may not record, suspects deny. But there is one witness that never lies and never forgets what it saw: the bullet. In forensic science, ballistics testing is considered one of the most robust forms of evidence there is. When we say that ammunition came from that weapon, it is not an opinion. It is a technical certainty. Many people think that throwing away the weapon is enough to get rid of the crime. They are wrong. Physics leaves an eternal signature. Today, I'm going to show you why microballistic comparison is the nightmare of anyone who tries to deceive justice.
Science never lies. Forensic Dossier.
Every firearm has a unique identity. When it is manufactured, the machining process creates microscopic imperfections inside the barrel. It is impossible to manufacture two identical weapons. Even if they are of the same brand, made at the same minute, wear and tear on the factory tools creates different patterns. We call this individuality. When the trigger is pulled, the weapon transfers this identity to the ammunition and the casing. The hard metal of the barrel tattoos the soft metal of the projectile. These marks, called rifling, are like a unique barcode for that weapon, and it is this code that we read. TV shows computers doing everything, but the reality is much more precise: the expert's eye. We use a comparison microscope. We place the bullet from the crime scene on one side and the sample we collected from the suspect's weapon on the other. The advantage of this examination is visual and mathematical. We don't look for similarities. We look for perfect continuity. When the striations line up, the chance of error is virtually zero. It is a key that only opens that lock. Unlike a witness who may become confused in court, the micro-comparison image is static and eternal. It is the material evidence that links the shooter's hand to the victim, leaving no room for doubt. And what about technology? It exists to accelerate our effectiveness. Systems such as IBIS, Integrated Ballistic Identification System, allow the police to cross-reference data from different crimes. If the same weapon was used in a robbery in the north of the city and a homicide in the south, the system alerts us. This allows forensics to connect serial crimes that appeared to be isolated. The computer quickly sifts through thousands of cases, and the expert confirms the result. This combination of digital speed and human expertise makes the system relentless. There is no such thing as the perfect crime, only poorly investigated crimes. And in ballistics, the investigation is thorough. Micro-comparison testing ensures that justice will be served based on facts, not assumptions. The weapon speaks, the bullet confirms, and the expert translates. If you like to understand how science defeats crime, sign up for the Forensic Dossier. Here, the evidence is technical,